guys, this is Adam. Sorry, it's facing at the floor. This is my new NHN door closer. This is just a night after I got it. Now, some of you people will think, why does he have it adjusted to where it's not really moving so much? Now, you guys, you have a good question. Now, this one used to leak. I need better lighting, so I'll turn the lights on. This one, it's just flipped over now. It used to leak, and when they had it, the installer didn't want it to carry on leaking. So they tried to fix it by slowing it down. They did it with sweep and latch, but it leaked. There was a giant puddle on the ground. See? See, that's how slow it closes. There. Let's see. Oops. Yeah, you might see it lift off the ground now. It's so slow. See, it's only just started latch. It stops itself when it starts latch. And there's a pinion cup. Oh, flipped over there. So now, it speeds up just a tiny bit on latch. See, it goes slow there, and then it just speeds up ever so bit. Yeah, like on its slow period, still going quite slow, but it speeds up. Yeah, I'm going to put my arm on it, because when the arm goes towards going up that way, when the arm goes up this way, it slightly speeds up and it scares me to bits. This isn't where it starts, but it scares me because, I'm not really putting much pressure on it. Right now I'm tensing my arm, which means, because this happened sooner than I think it will. So, used to do it on the door in school, but it's gonna do it any second now. Yeah, I won't let it do it at its full speed, obviously, because it scares the skeleton off me. So I'll do it at full speed. It does that. You see what there? There. You see? On the legs, it scares me when it does it. You see, it does that. It made me jump then. Yeah. It's like if this door latch was stiff, it would speed up, so it would be like, I can't close all the way. So it'd kind of slightly speed up, so I'm going to turn the lights out now.